Administration does not use the 30% figure of DSWD, the more accurate figure. Kaya yung plano niya sa 2028, by the time the President exits, 9% na lang daw, single digit na daw ang poverty incidence rate. Kawawa naman kung hindi talaga ma-achieve because he assumed 18 or 22% ng assumption. I'm getting the MTFF assumptions, Mr. President.
Paiba-iba. So, eto nga.
Kawawa kasi Presidente rin, Mr. Presidente. Sa SONA niya, he mentions figures eh.
Yes, 18% nga.
Pati unemployment rate, naki-question natin, tinanong natin ang DOLE. Mali-mali din ang mga figures. So ito, kung sabihin ng Presidente, poverty incidence rate will be down to 9% at the end of his term. Yun ang sabi.
But the goal.
The starting point is 22%. If the DSWD figures are to be believed, mali.